how to connect FiveM to Discord. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you through the steps on how you can connect FiveM to Discord, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you want to connect your FiveM to Discord, it's actually quite very simple to do so, because all you have to do is open the Discord application, and then after you open it up, tap the profile icon from the bottom right of the screen here. The very first thing you want to do is go to authorized apps and check if FiveM is located here, because if it shows FiveM here, it means that both of your FiveM and Discord are already connected. But if it's not connected, just come back and go to this option here known as connections. Once you go to connections, tap the add button from the top right hand side and then select FiveM from the list and log into your account, and your FiveM will get successfully connected to Discord. This way you can connect FiveM to Discord. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.